We were recently gifted this bed assist rail that can be used for either elderly or young children to have some assistance. So what I'm going to do is show you how we get it right out of the box, how you put it together, and how it gets used. First of all, it comes in a very small box, and this is what it looks like right out of the box. Not a lot of parts to put together, clear instructions, and the good part is most of the installation is just snapping things in place. So very little to be able to screw in. So this is mostly tab and then push in. Now putting it all together is very simple. One person can do it. Two people would be okay, but really it's a one-person operation. And it only takes about 10 minutes or so to put it all together. Not long at all. The instructions are very clear. And as I said, almost everything snaps into position. And you really don't need any technical knowledge, and you'll have it together in no time. And you'll see here that I'm doing it real time, and there's not a lot to this. I really like this little bag that you can put remotes in and other things. So I'll take it off as we put it on and then put it back on. But it is something that is useful when you have it at the side to be able to have things at your bedside. I didn't know what it was at first, and then it became obvious once I was starting to use it. So here we go. Once we get it all into place, we'll be ready for the next step. Continuing with the easy way to be able to put things on, we're getting near the end here. Just have to put the handhold on. Again, you do get a screwdriver, an Allen wrench, and the connectors, which are very easy to follow. I'm just going to speed up the video a little bit here so you can see me put it all on, and it's really easy. I just think you didn't want to sit around and watch me put it on at real time, so I sped it up a little bit. It does not take long at all. And we're about ready to go. We'll install it on the mattress and see how she goes. To secure it to the mattress and make sure everything is stable, you do have a really nice strap, very easy to click in to either put it on the frame or the mattress, or depending on your configuration. Pretty self-explanatory on how to do it. And there's a few different ways, and you can secure it to the frame with some screws that are supplied as well, if that works for your configuration and depending how you want to do it. So you do have a few options here. It's pretty straightforward as far as what approach you want to take, depending upon the bed you have and depending upon the frame. And here you'll see I'll be sliding it under the mattress, and then I will be securing the strap. And that is something that you'll definitely want to make sure it is secure for you, and make sure it's good for nice and snug for whomever is going to be using it, that it's on nice and snug. Again, all easy to do and all things that usually one person would be able to accomplish. And you can see it doesn't take up much space at all. And I'll show you what it looks like and how it functions in a second here. We did snug it on there nice and tight. A few different ways you can do it, but this is looking snug for us. And here is the final setup for us. We like it right here in the little pocket. You can put any papers you have, remotes, controls for the lights or the television or the computer can be right here. And then it protects if you do have small children who are napping and who may roll on out. It definitely protects. It's solid. And if you need help getting up, there's a spot you can either use one hand, two hands, or you can use the grip right here as well to be able to lift up if you need to. So it has multiple uses. So if you are looking for something that is good for elderly as well as young kids, this is a great option. It's very small, easy to put together. I recommend it.